that have the courage to believe what you need to at this time in your story to make your life beautiful. And don't let science or God or other people tell you that whatever it is your imagination is feeding you is wrong. Because one day, maybe you'll find a deeper truth because of that slight error that you entertained. I might also mess this up. I believe in magic, not because it's real, not because I've seen it, but because the broken-hearted cynic scolds the child who chose to feel more than his eyes could yet reveal of the world congealed on sodden streets, on pavements streaked with pain that seeps deep beneath the stains of dreamers slain while they sleep, under slate on bed slats, cold hard facts engineer the night we're taught to fear, while yet so near to the soil ever shifting, the floorboards lift so to sing, you are not of this world. These words curled tight around wings caught mid-flight and folded. And so with bright eyes emboldened, I fight not for fame or fortune, but to caution. Some things are too sacred to be named. Some songs are too wild to be tamed by minds maimed by guns, gods and gains that strain to cry, I am I am mine, and in that divine, an heretic cleric of esoteric signs that drip like wine where once we dined on our mysteries. They will in time be our certainties, our minstrels winding truths to ease bodies, caught again on a breeze with no name.